In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write second in Canva using a simple and efficient method that will take you just about 5 minutes. We'll explore how to create a superscript 2 in your text, a handy skill for whenever you're designing graphics or documents that require precise text formatting. Let's get started by launching Canva and opening your current project. You might be working on anything from a presentation to a social media graphic, and the steps we're about to go through will be applicable to any of these. First, you'll need to add a text element to your design. On the left-hand menu, select the text option, then click on Add a text box to include a new text area on your canvas. Once the text box is in place, it's time to type the letter X, which we'll use as an example placeholder for the part of your text that requires the superscript 2. Of course, in your design work, this X could be any text that needs to be followed by the superscript, such as the letters in end for second, but for now, let's keep it simple with X. With the text in place, the next step involves using a handy Windows feature. On your keyboard, press the Windows logo key and the period key simultaneously. This keyboard shortcut opens up the emoji and symbols panel, a nifty tool for all sorts of special characters. After opening the emoji panel, you'll see an array of icons and emojis. But what we're interested in here are the symbols. Look for a tab or icon that says symbols and click on it. This will give you access to a variety of special characters, including math symbols. You might have to scroll a bit through the available symbols, but don't worry, what we're seeking is in there. As you scroll through the symbols, keep an eye out for the math symbols section. This is where it gets interesting, as you'll find the superscript numbers that we need. Locate the number 2, which represents the exponent, and click on it to insert it into your text box in Canva. By doing so, you effectively create the appearance of x2, or rather the superscript equivalent of what will soon be end in second. And there you have it. With just these few steps, you've transformed your text in Canva to include a superscript 2, perfect for situations like formatting the word second. This process can really elevate the professionalism of your designs by ensuring that every detail is polished and precise. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different text combinations and see how this method adds to your design prowess. Happy designing, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial.